This shouldn't be new to me. I did this twice before.
Clothing halls, makeup, never lie. Timeline, it's unbreakable timeline. Can't get enough of the timeline.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my second video of 2021. Okay, my first video, I did not say anything about it being a new year, but happy new year, you guys. So in this video, I am very excited to do this video because this will be my second brow lamination video. Yeah. Before we get into me actually doing my brows, if you are new, welcome. My name is Chantel, also known as MsUnbreakableTimeline. And if you guys want, come and join the Unbreakable Beauties team. Y'all know what's up, okay? Sorry if my energy is not all the way there. I have not had my coffee yet. It's still early. And all I'm drinking is this Lemon Perfect cold pressed lemon water, which is super good. My daughters even love it, okay? But this is all I'm drinking for right now. I haven't even eaten yet, okay? So let's go ahead and get into this video because I don't want it to be long. Alright, so my first brow kit that I got was the Ariana Brow Lift Kit. If you guys have not seen my first video, then this is how the brow kit looked. It had almost everything in it, and it also has like the instructions on the back. It also came with a pamphlet. Like I said, if you guys have not seen that video, go and check it out. I show everything that's in this brow kit. But your girl got a new one and it's a new packaging. I freaking love this packaging. I love that it has like this woman on the front showing her brows, and I just love the packaging. It's very simple, black and white, and this one is actually vegan. So the first one that I got wasn't vegan at all, but this one is a vegan lash and eyebrow lamination kit, and they decided to let me try out their new packaging and also, well, their new brow kit. So I'm very excited, you guys. So when you open the kit, like the whole packaging is different, you guys. I love it, okay? So it comes with the same packaging look on the pamphlet, and this just, oh, and also it's a lash and eyebrow lamination, but I'm just doing brows. I'm not going to do my eyelashes. So this one has 2 in 1, and the first one just had 1, just straight brow lamination. So it comes with the pamphlet, and it gives you instructions on how to do the lash and brow lamination. And it also comes with get a free product once you write a review on Amazon, and this is from Amazon. Sorry guys if I did not mention that, but you can get a free product if you guys purchase and write a good review on Amazon. Y'all know how they do. So yeah, I think that is very, very good too. It says get a free product, leave us an honest review on Amazon, email us a screenshot of your review at arianaalert@gmail.com. Now in the kit comes with more than the first brow kit that I got, because like I said, this is a lash and brow kit. So it comes with these under eye fillers that you would need for your lashes, but I'm not doing my lashes, so I don't really need that. And it only comes with 3 of them, which kind of don't make sense because you have two eyes. Maybe, I don't know, maybe you can use 1 for each eye, but it comes with 3. And then it comes with spoolies, which is perfect this time. It comes with spoolies, and it comes with this other like little spoolie, but it has like not like thick brushes like the actual spoolie. I'll have to show you guys, but let me see what that called. It comes with the spoolies, and it comes with this brush and comb. First one came with this, but it didn't come with these. So, and it has the same thing as the first one. So it does come with 4 combs, silicone pads, which did not come in the first kit. The silicone pads did not come in the first kit. And it has the lift, the fixer, the booster, and the cleanser. So being that this is a vegan kit. It doesn't have glue. It just says to, well, we'll go through that, but it doesn't have a glue. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to read what I am doing while doing it, and this is how the pamphlet comes out to be. Very cute. Has more in it because, again, it's a lash and brow lamination kit. So we're going to go to the eyebrow lamination procedure, which is here, and let's go ahead and get started. So first, it's telling me to take a photograph before, so that's what I'm about to do real quick. A before and after, you feel me? Oh, and I got the new 12. So I just took a before, and then, okay, wash your hands and sanitize. Everything's already done. Remove makeup and oil from your eyebrows using cleanser lotion 4. So just like the first kit, this is the cleanser, which has a clear liquid base to it. But I'm going to put this back on because I learned from the first kit that I didn't place it back on, and I think the products didn't really work. So that's why it told me to keep that little clear piece on the top. Now the fourth step is comb through the eyebrows using a disposable mascara wand. Oh, that's what it is. It's not a spoolie. So now we're going to apply the lift cream, which is number 1, which has a white creamy base to it. Apply the lift cream on brows evenly and brush them up. I'm going to use the back of the mascara wand. Ooh. So this is the perm part because it smells like the perm. And then now I gotta brush them up. So being that I gotta brush them up, I'm going to take this brush and comb. That's the only thing. They did not give me any plastic film again. So got the plastic film. This shouldn't be new to me. I did this twice before. So what the lift lotion does, what lift cream does, is soften your brows, and it will change the elasticity in your brows. So we just have to leave this on for 10 minutes. The reason why I'm leaving it on for 10 minutes is because this is perfect for fine to healthy brows. You leave it on for 10 minutes. If you have fine brows, then you only leave it on for 8 minutes. But I say I have healthy eyebrows because they're thick, and I just feel like they're healthy. Alright guys, so it is currently 11:06. I'm going to go ahead and start taking this off. So it says to remove lift cream gently and apply fixer number 2. And I already know how my brows will look. So I won't have the same reaction as I did the first time, since this is my third time doing this brow lamination. So it says remove this gently. Wow, my brows literally look like, it's crazy. Still shocks me every time I use this. Then it says apply fixer, which is number 2, which has a blue color tint to it, and it's telling me to brush them up once I apply it. But I'm gonna use this little white thing to apply it. Y'all can't really see, but it has like a little white brush on there. Maybe this is what these are for. I need to see. Or was it supposed to be for my lashes? Fixer help with semi-permanent results, which is up to 10 weeks depending on your brow texture. Alright, so now we gotta apply more plastic. You want to apply some clean plastic over your brows, and this should be the, well, oh yeah, I can do it like this. Okay, this should be the last plastic we'll need. So this has to be on for another 10 minutes. Alright dolls, so it's been 10 minutes. So it says remove fixer cream from brows gently using cleanser number 4. Now it says apply booster number 3, which has a yellow like clear base to it. It's not thick. You're applying this because it creates the growth and hydration of your brows. So after this, you could just style it and do whatever you want to it. But I love this kit. Hand down, I love the first one. I love this one. It had everything. It still didn't have the plastic wrap in it, but it's fine. We had some plastic wrap in here, which is good. But that's the only downfall of these kits. It doesn't have everything you really need as far as like just the plastic wrap, like I said, because they don't know everybody don't have plastic wrap in their house, you know. The price point of this kit it is a little bit more expensive than the first one, only because it is a lash and brow together. So it's $37, which is still not bad. It's way cheaper than going to get your lashes and brows laminated together. Trust me, you'll be spending at least a good $200 to $300, and this is only close to $40. You cannot beat that, sis. You cannot, okay? So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. And hopefully the next one will be very, very soon. That way you guys can see how I did these bushy brows. But yeah, so don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.